All right, here we are with the new 2020 Duramax. This is the 1500 with the 3.0, and we just installed the Autostop Eliminator. So let me show you what we did on it. All right, we followed the directions online, but we had just the split bench, and so our instructions were a little bit different. I was just going to show you. So it is a T15 in 6 places. You got 2 along the bottom, 1 on each side, 2 along the top. And everything that I've noticed about this Chevy is, boy, the panel poppers they're really in there. So to actually get that pulled down, I put a couple pieces of painter's tape right here on both sides, and pried. I got some kind of heavy duty bones, and I pried to get that down because it's winter time here. My hands are getting a little bit cold and that plastic was cutting in, but it pops out. You can follow the directions from there. It was the leftmost connector for us. We don't have the lane keeping assist, so it's the leftmost plug-in for us. When we put it back together, we kind of ran the wire. Our wire would probably be sitting back up right here. So that was it. I want to show you how all this plastic goes back together though. I have already tested it. It's working great. So can confirm that the 1500 Duramax works with the Autostop Eliminator. So no more pushing the button and no more having your vehicle die at stoplights and stop signs. So let me grab some plastic real quick and we'll snap this back together. I've already put these T15s back in and tightened them, so it should just be a matter of popping things back together now. So let me grab them from the back. This one here, gonna be pretty easy, but yeah, these here, all the Toyotas and stuff I've messed with, maybe it's because it's new, maybe they're trying to cut down on cabin squeaks. They seem to be quite aggressive. They take more pressure to pop out than I would imagine. All right. Nope, did believe I had it right. This was a little bit bigger than the video they had because they have the whole center console, so this part was smaller. So you can see where the clips are. You got 2 on each side, 1 in the center. And again, it just takes quite a bit to get these babies pop loose. Seem to go back together pretty standard fare. Now this last section that's right here, they didn't have in their video. You're going to have 1 7mm bolt, which is here, and it's going to go on that side. But what I found when I was getting all this loose is the carpet actually is hanging onto it. So let's pop it back in and button this thing up. Alright, so last piece. If I had to put a time on how long this whole thing took us, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or so. It wasn't all that bad, but just be prepared to really tug. So this one here, you've got, let me let you see the clips because that's always helpful. 1 on this side, 3 along the top, and then that 7 that we talked about is on the driver's side. So it's going to go just straight towards the front of the truck. But it wants to kind of hang on this carpet, so this is what I was having trouble with. I didn't want to mar anything when I was pulling it out, and it's kind of a booger to get in there. Okay, there we go. All right, got those started. I think we're pretty good. There, felt that one go. Don't have those going. There we go. Put your 7 back in the driver's side and you're all done. Thanks for watching.